Hey, it's Steve from RELOD, and thanks for checking out this quick training video. Okay, so first off, you're going to need two things to get this system going for you. One, you're going to need a Facebook page, and two, you're going to need a Zapier account. Once you have those two things, you're going to be able to set up this system to generate leads for you on autopilot, and then the lead information is going to be sent directly to your cell phone via SMS text. Assuming you already do have a Facebook page, you're going to come to the Facebook page right here. You're going to go ahead and normally you can click this menu and there'll be a publishing tools. If you don't see that, I've been having some problems with it lately. Just go up here to facebook.com/your page name. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put a /publishing_tools. Go ahead and go to that URL. And then what you're going to see is you're going to see published posts, videos, tools. We're going to scroll down here. We're going to go to forms library, and it's going to show you any forms you've already created. So I was just doing a test here earlier. So if you don't have anything here, you can just go ahead and click create. You can use a new form or you can duplicate. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and duplicate this to make the video a little shorter. Go ahead and search our forms. I'll go ahead and use this buyer demo. I'll click next. So you want to go ahead and you're going to want to name your form here. So maybe I'll name this Tampa Buyers, and then the intro will be turned on usually by default, but you can go ahead and turn that off. We'll go ahead and scroll down. Here's where we're going to go to our questions. So for our questions, this headline, you can go ahead and customize. And that's what you're going to see right here in this area. And then this is going to be the questions or the fields you want to collect. So for example, if you want first name, last name, email, phone number, when do you want to buy a house, and price range, you can go ahead and customize this however you want. You would scroll down. You would go to privacy policy. From here, I just like to put privacy as my link text. And if you have a website, you're going to want to link out to your privacy policy there. Go ahead and go to the thank you screen, and you can go ahead and customize this headline, or you can just go ahead and leave it as is, or you can actually go ahead and customize the description down here as well. So we're going to leave this view website, and for this example, say we're looking for buyer leads or potential buyer leads, we'll go ahead and use something as an exclusive list of homes for sale in Tampa, Florida. So then I'll go ahead and use my button text for my call to action. Click here to view homes for sale, and then my website link. If I already have my own website, I can actually use a link to my listings, or you can actually use a customized or a filtered MLS link. So you go ahead and input that there. That's what's going to happen when they click this button. So we'll go ahead and you can click save, or you can go ahead and click finish. So I'll go ahead and click finish. And now you're going to want to go ahead and refresh just to make sure you got your new lead form. All right, so we have our Tampa Buyers right here that we've already created. So I can go ahead and preview that if I wanted to. And I can go ahead and look at first name, last name, email, phone number, and then my two questions. So I'll go ahead and I'll answer these just so I can put myself in as a lead. Go ahead and click submit. And then if I wanted to go and see if this was working, I can go ahead and click that button. And here's the demo site. So once you have that finished, what you're going to want to do is go to Zapier or Zapier, however you'd like to pronounce it. And what this is going to do is allow Facebook to send those lead forms directly to you via SMS. So we'll go ahead and sign up here. And once you sign up, you're going to want to go ahead and log in. All right, now once you're on the inside at the dashboard, what you're going to want to do is click over here, click make a Zap. And from here, this does say premium. So Zapier is going to be $19 a month, I believe, but it's going to be well worth it. So you can go ahead and click your Facebook lead ads right here. And the app will be Facebook lead ads. So the new trigger event is going to be a new lead. So when a new lead comes in, it's going to trigger an action. So we'll click continue. Go ahead and make sure you pick your lead ads account. If not, it'll prompt you to go ahead and connect. Click continue. We're going to go ahead and choose our Facebook page that we're going to run our ads on. Go ahead and click that. We're going to go ahead and use the right form. So for this example, we used Tampa Buyers. So I'll go ahead and click that. Now I'm going to go ahead and click refresh fields just so we can pull in the data that I filled out. So we'll go ahead and click continue. And now we can go ahead and click test and review or test and continue. So we'll click test and review just to double check it. All right, we're going to go ahead and look at this information. This should be the information I input. We'll look at it, confirm, we're good to go. We'll click done editing. Now we're going to go ahead and do the second step. So for here, we want to do SMS by Zapier. If you can't find it, just go ahead and type in Zapier or Zapier, however you want to pronounce it. Click SMS. Now from here, the action is going to be send SMS text. So we'll go ahead and click continue. And right here, if you don't already have it connected, what you're going to do is it's going to prompt you to connect an account. So you'll put your cell phone in, you'll get a verification pin. Once you put the pin in, you'll go ahead and be connected. Then you'll go ahead and choose that SMS account. Go ahead and click continue. You're going to scroll down, and this is going to be a firm number. You can leave that blank. and this is going to be the text message you receive. So you can go ahead and put something like Facebook lead, hit enter, go to a new line. And what you're going to want to do is click this insert a field or plus sign right here. We're going to go ahead and start with first name, click enter. I'm going to go ahead and choose it again. Last name, click enter. We're going to go ahead and just keep going down the line. Phone number, enter. And then we can go ahead and use email, enter. And then we'll go ahead and have the answers to our questions. So the first one was, when do you want to buy a house? And the next one was, what's the price range? So now this will be the information that'll come through to the text message. So we'll go ahead and click continue. And this is going to be what it's going to look like. So we'll go ahead and click test and review or test and continue. So we'll go ahead and click test and continue. And now you should get a test SMS to your cell phone or the number that you put up. Now we'll click done editing. And now we'll go ahead and turn that zap on. So now the system is set up. You're gonna need to go ahead and upgrade here. Yes, $19.99 a month. So now this is set up once you turn this zap on. So any leads that come through Facebook are going to be sent directly to your cell phone. So now you're probably thinking, all right, well, where we're going to get the leads from or who's going to fill out the lead form. All right, so if we come back to our Facebook page where we were at, you can go ahead and go here to visit Ad Center. If you don't have anything running, you won't see any metrics down here, but what you want to do is go ahead and click on create. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do in a real estate niche is we're going to have to click this creating a campaign for ads in a special ad category. And then what we're going to do is choose housing. And then we're going to scroll down here. We're going to go ahead and choose lead generation. We're going to go ahead and scroll down. Go ahead and name your campaign. So I'll go ahead and name this Tampa Buyers. I wouldn't worry about this right now. We're going to go ahead and click continue. Now for your ad set name, you can go ahead and name your ad set whatever you like. So for this example, I'll just go ahead and put T1. Make sure you have the right Facebook page chosen. Scroll down. All right, Facebook recently, around August of 2019, made some changes and took out a lot of targeting features, so we can no longer use zip code. But what we can do is we can go ahead and put in Tampa, Florida, since that's where our ad is going to be targeting. You're going to want to make sure you change this here to people living in this location, and we're going to go ahead and leave it just like this. So now what we're going to do is, you see we have 1.1 million people, which is kind of a lot. And because we're in the housing category, we're not going to be allowed to target by age or gender. Some of the demographics, behaviors, and interests have been removed. So we're going to go ahead and put our language in here. And since we're advertising English, we'll go ahead and choose that. Now our detailed targeting, we can go ahead and add people that have an interest in some of these real estate websites, such as Zillow, maybe Trulia. Go ahead, scroll down, click suggestions. And now we can go ahead and click homes.com, maybe realtor.com. And now you notice we've knocked our audience size down from 1.1 million to 350,000. We're going to go ahead and narrow this audience. So our audience is going to be people in Tampa, Florida who are already showing interest in these websites. And then we're going to narrow that. And now we can go ahead and we can put maybe people that are interested in mortgage loans. Or we can go ahead and choose that and then actually click suggestions and get some better ideas. So maybe we can choose to make one ad set here targeting real estate website interest with mortgage loans, and then we can make another ad set and do real estate websites with pre-qualification lending or first-time buyer. And then we'll have multiple ad sets, and we'll be testing different ad sets to see where we're going to get the best cost per lead and also the quality. So then let's just say we're going to merge these. We're now bringing our audience down to 150,000 people. You can keep going if you want to, but for this example, we'll stop there. You can leave this on automatic or manual. That's up to you. I would recommend manual, just going with newsfeed, Facebook, and maybe Instagram, but strictly newsfeed. But if you want to leave it automatic, you can do that. So we'll leave it for this example, just to save time. Go ahead and change your daily budget. You can start this at $5 a day if you want. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, click continue. So remember, we're going to have our campaign set up, our ad set, which is our targeting, and then our ad itself, which is the creative. So we're going to go ahead and name our ad. So you want to start by naming your ad here, and then we're going to scroll down, and we can go ahead and we can just use a single image to get started. So we'll scroll down, and now what we can do here is choose our image. So for example, if we're offering an exclusive list of homes that are for sale, we maybe want to feature a picture of one of those homes here. So for example, if these are listings I wanted to advertise or something like that, I could just go ahead and maybe include one of those images here. So I'll just leave this for the example. I'll scroll down, and you're going to see that image right here. So then this is going to be your primary text. So I'll say something like, looking to buy a home in Tampa. And then I'll say, get our exclusive list of homes for sale. And then maybe I want to add a price range in there. So if you're going to use an MLS link, you can filter out and use something like, homes under 500K. So I can use get our exclusive list of homes for sale, and then I can use under 500K, and I can just leave this. Now, typically I'd want to add some emojis to add some color. It's been proven to get more engagement. So if you really wanted to do that, you can go to a website called Piliapp, Piliapp.com. We can go ahead and add a couple of emojis here. So for example, if I wanted to use an emoji of a house, I can go ahead and scroll down, find it, go ahead and click that, click copy, go back to my ad, paste that in there. And then if I wanted to add another small emoji here, I can go ahead and use something like maybe this key, for example. So I can go back, I can go ahead and paste the key. I'll go down to the next line. I can put click sign up or anything as a call to action. Just go ahead and try to get them to click. So then maybe I want to go ahead and add an arrow. I'll click copy, go ahead and go back to my ad, and I'll go ahead and paste this small emoji in there. And now, so here's going to be our preview of our ad. So now we can go ahead and write a small headline and put exclusive homes for sale in Tampa, and description is optional. So we'll go ahead and scroll down. Now obviously I would use a way better picture and a little better copy, but just for this example, not to take up too much of your time, we're gonna go ahead and use our display link. Once again, it's optional, but I like to fill that out because it can help with branding. So we'll go ahead and put that in there, and then we can go ahead and scroll down, and right here you're gonna want to go ahead and click that form. So remember, we use Tampa buyers in our demonstration. So we'll go ahead and we'll use Tampa buyers, and we'll go ahead and scroll down. You can confirm their form info here. And when you're done, we're gonna go ahead and make sure our Facebook pixel is turned on. And then we're gonna go ahead and click confirm. Now, once you click confirm, your ad will be reviewed. And once it's approved, hopefully within 24 hours or so, it'll be published and it'll be live. And you'll start to generate those leads. And as those leads come into your Facebook lead form, Zapier is going to go ahead and send that information to you via text. You can follow up right away, and you'll have the contact information as well as the answers to any questions that you created in that lead form. All right, so you just need to set up your Facebook page and your lead form. Go ahead and sign up with Zapier, set up the Zap, and then set up your ad. And that's pretty much it. You can start generating leads daily on autopilot, and all you have to do is worry about following up. So it doesn't really get any more simple than that. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you think this is too time consuming, or you don't have the technical know-how or whatever it may be, and you want me to go ahead and set this up and manage these ads for you, so all you have to do is sit back and just follow up, go ahead and click the button below, set up a call. We'll get on the phone maybe for 20 or 30 minutes and see if this would help you out and maybe something that you'd be interested in.